Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in First Bank Mortgage. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to log in First Bank Mortgage account, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.fbmortgagesloan.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of First Bank Mortgage account. So from there, simply tap on My Account. So once you're in your My Account section, tap on Sign in the My Loan application account. So simply you need to type in your email address and the password of your account to get the access back in your First Bank Mortgage account. So simply after hitting the sign in option, you can also hit on trouble signing in if you are facing any kind of trouble. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.